So, welcome to our unboxing therapy for the average Joe. I'm Richard, this is Lydia, and this is Caleb. And they said, Daddy, since you surprised us and got a MacBook Pro, we have to be with you.
I knew.
You knew it.
I didn't.
We have to be with in the unboxing. And I was going to make an unboxing video because I watched a lot of videos to see what this MacBook Pro, new MacBook Pro is about. Well, new, it's 2019, maybe 6 months old.
That is new.
That's new. It's the newest thing we've bought in a long time. And so we wanted to unbox it with you all here. And also I bought a few accessories because I break stuff and wanted a case with it, a nice durable case, and a USB-C hub because this only has USB-C ports. Anyways, I bought, just as a, I'm going to bore you guys with the details first. This is a MacBook Pro 2019 16-inch screen, 1 terabyte hard drive, i9 core processor with 32. I bought the 32 gigabytes of processing speed so that I could future-proof. Yeah, it's all very boring, right? I could future-proof the computer a little bit. And the kids just asked me, if you could build your own computer, what would you try? What would you put in it? How many gigabytes would you put in it? And I said, if I could build my own computer, I would build this one right here, the one that I purchased just now. If I could build it minus the Apple product placement on it, you know, if it didn't have the Apple logo on the back like an Apple computer does, then I could probably sell it for half the price, literally. Like, what are you talking about? MacBook.
You just said you wanted to keep this.
I want to keep this. I would build this computer, but if I could build it without the Apple logo on it, I could probably pay half the price for it. You are MacBook, and by the way, this is not MacBook or an Apple supported video. I just wanted to look at it myself. This is nothing to do with Apple.
Whoa.
Apple did not give me this product. I purchased it with my own money. And so anyways, so yeah, MacBooks are, you could do the same technology inside a computer and you know, pay half the price really.
Yeah. But
you're paying for a name, you're paying for the support that Mac offers, that they give their products. I also bought the apps bundle, which has, because I'm a student still, actually I'm still a student if you can believe it. I got the student price for this, and I bought the Mac Apps Pro bundle, which has Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and a few other programs, Stage, Main Stage, or whatever their program is called. Yeah, anyways, so I bought all that to get this computer. I wanted this model because I didn't want the butterfly keys. I know that the 13-inch has the butterfly keys on it, which are very loud and clacky and clinky and clacky, and people have problems with them. So we're here, we're gonna open this bad boy and let's get to it. Thanks for watching.
open it.
So Caleb wants to open the box. It slides.
Very slowly though.
No, you didn't do nothing.
How to get an iPhone?
There you go. All right. So the packaging and producting is awesome. Definitely,
Use it out of the box.
definitely. It just looks. It looks really nice as you open it. Space gray is what I got. So let's. Does anybody want to pull it out? Pick it up. Pull it up. Wow. Actually, very thin. Like I'm surprised by this. This is really sleek. A nice design.
Here, take it off.
I have an Air as well, which my wife is going to receive now. I'm going to reset it to factory settings.
Okay, now we just
And my
pull this.
Air is thicker.
We just pull this.
Yeah.
I don't want it to
give it a pull. Take the package.
So satisfying.
It's,
oh my goodness.
That's why it's called unboxing therapy.
Okay. Why
Toss
is it black? It's like.
Go like this. It's.
Oh, my fingerprints were on it.
Yeah, your fingerprints gone.
Here, I'll
So,
get
we're not doing that right now.
Aw.
We're gonna do that later. So we've got in the box comes Lydia.
a cable for the charging.
And this is again a USB-C cable. Everything on Mac now is USB-C. So they
What's
got
this? It's huge.
instructions, right?
This is huge.
And this is a bigger power port. Yeah. And so what
you
I
even
have
dropping around it.
what I have heard from this. Yeah, let's take the wrapping off, bud. What I have heard from this MacBook Pro, and I've watched lots of reviews on it because I wanted to know what it was about. They said you can charge. Yeah, throw it behind you. You can charge this on an airplane.
Airplane?
Yeah, and so some MacBooks and other technology, other laptops, they don't allow you to charge it because the battery's so big. And this, I have heard, has the largest battery allowable on a plane. So it's very sleek design. Yeah, it's got the
that's where it
got the 6 screws on the bottom holding it in place. One aluminum body. I mean, it is very sleek and very pretty. Yeah, so the cabling comes with it. So what I want to do actually, let's just flip it open and turn it on. Oh, here we go.
Come on.
We've got this, so we flip it open, and you've got some protection here as well.
Oh my goodness.
The screen is a 16-inch screen.
Look at that.
Oh, look, and it turns on right away. That's pretty sweet. Yeah.
Look at those. Okay, can I see
the speakers?
I'm very surprised of how big this thing is, and then how small all the keys are.
So I've
and
heard
then the speakers here, right?
Speakers are here, exactly. If you can see that, speakers are there. The trackpad is one of the best trackpads on the market.
It's
so I've heard.
humongous.
There it comes up.
English.
The Sprache. So I ordered the German.
Eingabetaste, Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
Nice.
Oh wait, can I?
It speaks to you right away. All right.
English or German?
So I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna set it in German and English because I use German and English.
Can I?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I will return. There we go. So it's got this the speakers on it are the best. I've heard also the best speakers on a laptop that people have ever heard. That was pretty nice.
And flat and
Yeah, very clean language so far. Let's see, languages, preferred languages. Oh, it's really smooth.
Can I kind of like?
Can you click it?
Yeah.
Man, it's got like the space bar on the top as well. Some people like that, some people don't. So just so you're aware, if you're watching to buy it, possibly, I've researched that it has a separate escape button that didn't exist on the previous versions of this. The space bar, or it was included in the space bar before. The space bar here has all these slide things. Right now, illuminated is just the volume
So
and
you
everything.
just tap it and then it like.
Well, a space bar can have lots of different stuff displayed on it, like emojis.
That's so old.
Emojis.
Emojis, I only use the new ones.
You only use the new ones. So anyways, the screen is, you can see the screen is up to the very edges. The bevels are really, really far to the edge.
It's very flat and smooth.
Yeah, this is.
I want to put the case on.
So I'm gonna let's do that. Actually, let's put the case on. I'm not gonna do all the settings right now. We'll set it up in a little bit. So I bought the I-BLASON. Just toss it behind you. This is the I-BLASON Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch screen hard case. It's pretty durable. I have the similar one.
Yeah, when you go over the Apple. So
yeah, so now that you made marks on my Apple. I think this is the top. This is where you'd open it.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
I think it's gonna fit perfect. Click.
Yay!
Click.
Click.
Put that one on the bottom.
Click.
And this also has a space in the back for the breathability. They've really upped the breathability on this thing, or the heat sink, so that this machine can do more.
I wish I had known.
And I wish I understood all that, but I really don't. Like I said, this is the average Joe. Man, that looks pretty nice too. Pop it open.
Oh. And you can there's also spaces for everything that you can plug in.
Yeah, they have 4. What is this? How's this working? It's not going together. We'll get that later.
Yep.
Yeah,
It doesn't go any further.
Pop it off.
It doesn't go any further, Daddy. Let it close.
I need to go like this. Watch out. Close it again. Like I said, this is the average Joe.
Just figuring stuff out.
Just figuring stuff out. Clip it closed. Yep, there it is. Pop. 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 Boom.
Jeez.
Okay.
Should I open it? Doesn't Yay, it works
It's
now.
all in. All right,
This
so.
one's in. This one's in.
No?
The bottom one.
There we go. Now it is. So you've got 4 USB-C ports, of course, for power and for anything else. So that's why I got a USB-C hub, and I didn't get the hub that fits right on, which can also be very slick and look nice and has a sweet profile. I got a cheap one, I have to say, but I needed something. I needed a VGA, so I got one with a VGA. I got it off Amazon. I'll try to find a link and put it in the description below. Let's see if it works. So I just plug this bad boy in.
I would open it.
Nope, it clicks right in there. That's a sweet sound. It clicks. Oh, the mouse is nice. Just first impressions are very, I'm gonna click and just click. Oh man, the keys click nice. It just feels good. I am quite excited. The trackpad is big and broad. You got, of course, all your Apple moves, your 5 fingers, your 3 fingers, all these things. Speakers are huge. This is going to be a pretty good computer, I believe. It also has on the side, I forgot to say, a 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones.
Y'all.
When you're editing and stuff, that's a super deal. This is a nice looking machine. Big, broad. I like how Mac went bigger, not smaller.
Can you play Minecraft on here?
I'm sure you could. I'm sure you could. What do you guys think? What's your impressions?
I want to play Minecraft.
Want to play Minecraft on it? We could probably.
I want to watch a movie. Like when we go on. This is great for like when we go on vacations, and we have this thing on Fridays called Pizza Movie Night where we watch a movie and eat pizza. This is perfect for vacation when we're gone and we don't have a TV in our house or our rooms.
To be a nice screen,
and it also has very nice speakers and.
I bet I've heard. I haven't tried it, but I've heard that you can fill a room with these speakers. This video up with just another look at this MacBook Pro. It is honestly pretty impressive. I'll just give you a little look at keyboard. The mouse pad is enormous. I mean, I've got big hands, and I can't even fill up the whole mouse pad. So when you're editing video and stuff, I can just imagine this is super helpful, being able to, I haven't opened anything. Like I said, I did get the bundle, the Final Cut Pro bundle. So, and along with Main Stage 3, Logic Pro, and this Motion program. I don't know how good they are, just try them out. But it took me about an hour or so to load my old backup from my old MacBook Air to this machine. It was It's probably because of my old drive though, that it was so slow, so not necessarily. Anyways, I'm pretty impressed so far. Keys, I want to actually show you because people have said the keys are a little bit loud. I think they are probably a little bit loud, but they have actually a pretty nice cling to them. So let's get close. The mouse pad makes a nice nice sound. It's really reactive and soft. Escape button, fingerprint. You can set up your fingerprint here, so I'd set that up to turn the machine on. I am just pretty impressed altogether, honestly. I got this I-BLASON case. I might actually recommend that. I could drop this on most corners. These corners right here are exposed though. I don't know that I'd like to drop it on that corner, but I like the profile of the machine. I think I showed that in the early part. And yeah, I mean, just pretty impressive. The screen is brilliant. I think I'll show a little quick setup of that. I actually like the touch bar. People say, I don't like that, I could do without it or whatever, but I kind of actually like that. You can bring up the old school. I'm used to the old school touch things. Actually, I can touch it and turn it on. Let me try that again. That's pretty sweet. You can do the fingerprint touch. Boom, and you're unlocked. Oh yeah, I'm impressed. So, yeah, what was I gonna do? I was gonna do this, yeah. So you got the touch bar here, and you can see all the hotkeys. I like that. I use these a lot, so I don't like that it goes back and goes away, but I use them a lot. Yeah, see, it goes away. I'll have to figure that out and change that. I like to keep it out. But while I was just FaceTiming somebody, you had all the controls for FaceTime on the touch bar. That was pretty awesome. Speakers. Oh, you know what? Let me just get this out. I did want to show speakers. Okay, we'll be able to show an app opening. That's pretty awesome and quick compared to my old computer. So yeah, recently added artist. Let's do this and scroll to something pretty thumping. So these are the speakers. You can tell they're just really solid. I've had only a few really good laptop speakers, and these are by far the best. After a little use, I do all my editing actually with the speakers. Occasionally I'll put on headphones so I can hear the specifics of things, but I edit all my videos just right out loud. I don't need it. I don't need even regular, computer speakers. They're awesome. They don't ever distort. They don't ever, I mean, it's as good a speakers as I've ever seen in some computers, desktop computers even. So that's my review of this awesome computer. I'm super satisfied with it, but I hope this helps you to make your decisions on whether you not want to pull a trigger on such an expensive computer. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Tips by Richard. If you liked, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe so you can catch all the coming content. Appreciate you watching. Until next time, peace out.